20-20 challenge. This is a 3-week schedule of just 20 minutes a day, perfect for those of you with a busy schedule. Find the full daily schedule for this program on my new app. It's free to use with an optional subscription if you want to get access to more features. Now get your fitness mat ready and let's get into the workout. We've got 12 exercises across 2 sets in this full body HIIT workout, 40 seconds on and 10 to 30 seconds of rest in between. Stand upright and let's start set 1 with skater tap. Jump to one side and bring one leg behind and try to tap the floor with one hand, then jump to the other side. For low impact, just take it nice and slow without the jumps. Ten seconds rest now and curtsy squat jumps are coming up. Bring one leg diagonally behind you and lunge, then do a squat and jump. You can always follow the low impact alternatives and leave out the jump if you prefer. Great work guys, rest up, we'll work the other side. Keep pushing guys, it's just a 10-minute workout. Nice work everyone, just 3 more exercises to end set 1. High knee hops are next. Bring one knee up to your hips level and hop, and then swap to the other leg. For a low impact alternative, just do slow high knees. Ten seconds rest once again, and pop lunge kicks are next. Start with a lunge, then jump up and back down to the other side into a lunge, then back up and do a kick forward. Remember to go at your own pace, especially for those of you new to working out, as you need a strong core and balance here. Great work guys, last exercise of set 1. Lateral squats are next. Get into a half squat, then take a step to the right and squat down low, then to the left and squat. And that's set 1. Feel free to pause the video here if you need a longer break. Time for set 2. Stand upright and get ready for lateral lunge jump. Bring one leg to the side while pushing your hips back as you lunge down. Push through your feet to get back up and jump and repeat.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, the taste of berries on my tongue, sipping on a feeling, sun has got me healing, vibing out to your guitar. I don't wanna go yet, watch another sunset, wishing on a shooting star.
Great work guys, rest up and we'll move on to the other side. Keep your core and glutes engaged. Great job everyone, squat twist is next. Place your feet about shoulder width apart, then squat down low and jump up and twist. And come back into a squat and repeat on the other side. For low impact, just squat and bring your knee towards your opposite elbow as you get up. Rest and recover, we are moving on to scissors next. Keep pushing guys, we are almost done. For low impact, just do it without the jumps. Nice work everyone, just 2 more exercises to go and clap jacks is coming up. Clap your hands while you bring one leg out. You can speed it up and jump to make it more intense. Rest up guys, we have one exercise left. That lift squat is next. Place your feet about hip width apart, then push your hips back while maintaining a straight back. Then push through your heels to get back to the starting position and squat. And that's the workout. Please drop me a comment down below and let me know how you went. Check out my app if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!